Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create an Apple account. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. If you're signed in, sign out first. Or visit account.apple.com on any device and tap Create your Apple ID. Tap Apple account at the top. Then tap Don't have an Apple account. Choose your age range like adult for 18 plus. Enter your first name, last name, and birth date, then tap Continue. Use your email or get a free iCloud email, then tap Continue. Create a strong password and verify it. Add your phone number and pick text or call to get the verification code. Enter the code sent to your phone or choose Verify later. Finally, read the terms and conditions and tap Agree. And that's it. That's how to create an Apple account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.